So I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your videos for YouTube and gaming. Before I start, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright. So first, you're gonna do is get your videos. I'm gonna start off over. Let's see. I just click the delete button on the computer on the keyboard, and I'll go back here. Like I was saying, you go to your files where your videos are at. That's more easy for me than clicking on the import button right here. So I just go on my files and I just transfer right here to where I want to move it to. Boom. And now I got my files right there. What's on my screen? You want to make sure that you have the program Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I use. The latest one, 2023. All right, once you have that downloaded, you go to right here. You add these right here. You add the audio meter, the effects, essential graphics, essential sounds. These are what essential graphics are. That's your titles. This is for your colors. Make sure your video colors are on auto, and your sound. These are the pre sounds that are included with here that are free. But yeah, this is just make sure that your audio sound is just catching up with it. Make sure these audios are in the background, the dialogue. You can move it to the back. You can make it louder, clearer if you want to. Low tone, high tone. And just the background of the sounds. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with playing my video. Right now I have the headphones on. Let me take these out. Change. See, I have an echo going on. Try that right quick. Do all this. Damn. There. Yeah, I removed all the sound off. That way the echo. I will have to redo this video or this mission again. When I recorded, I had the echo going on. But yeah, that's basically it when you're editing. They'll just go through it. And you see it pops up. Then a whole gameplay. That's the gameplay. Gameplay. That's all the gameplay right there. I could redo and add voiceovers. Yeah, that's what I'm just redo and add the voiceover. Hold on, I'm just gonna go through the gameplay right quick because I do have to chop up some parts. Like right here. See, this is where my ending is. See, but that was for my last video, and because this is where the ending, I have this on lock. I'm gonna unlock this and move my ending back some. Move my ending back some. So I get all the way to the end, and then we'll move this here. I'm trying to go through the whole video. There's a part I want to clip off. And then it's all gameplay. And right here, this is where I want. Excuse me. Right here, I want to click off. So, excuse me. So when I want to chop this up, I will hit on the computer on our keyboard, Control K. I apologize, that is locked. On the keyboard, on this, I'm gonna hit Control K. And then all of this I don't want. That's extra gameplay. So I'm gonna hit delete on the keyboard. So far, that's basically how you edit. I'm gonna go back and do voiceover. Excuse me. Right now my throat is dry. I just got done, taking some medicine. Alright. So for this video here, I could go back and do a voiceover for my audio. So for right here, and let me restart this. So for right here, I have no audio or gameplay. I have no audio right here. So because I have no audio right here, I can literally add my own voiceover to the gameplay. So that's for people that's doing the YouTube blogging. If you're not trying to get hit with copyright or anything, you could just mute the audio that's the gameplay that's having. You can add your own. So right now, I would just be clicking record, and from right there, hold on, I'll have to take my mic. Give me 1 second. And let's see. Did that fix the problem? And I think that fixed the problem. I'm not too sure. I would have to get back with you because I'm not seeing anything being put. So give me 1 second. Or anything put in right now? I'm not sure. Hello. Is anything put? So give me 1 second. I'm guessing so I'm guessing it was recording. So I'm guessing it is recording right now. I could be mistaken. I had if you seen what I was doing, I changed the mic on the volume settings to my mic settings. So I'm not too sure if it recorded. Let me check and see. And I would switch the outplay. And I think that fixed the problem. I'm not too sure. I would have to get back with you because I'm not seeing anything input. So give me one. So give me 1 second. Undo and delete this. So yeah, it was recording. I'll have to just set my volume to my mic and remove that echo sound that's going on. But so far, yeah, that's how you do editing for YouTube and editing for game. It's really simple. If you guys want me to show you how to make a intro video like this right here, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me see, how do I mute this? I'm not too sure on how to mute it, but if you guys want me to show you guys, let me just let it play. But yeah, if you guys want me to show you how to make an intro video like that, if you guys want me to show you guys how to make an intro video like that, I can. Just let me know. But yeah, so far that's how you edit a video. Real simple and easy. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.